Hi everyone. So the sound that we are learning today is the sound b, 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 b. Now it's one of them sounds where I have to be careful, and it's a really hard sound to say. Sometimes you do slip into b, but if you try and cut it short to keep the sound as short as you can, so it becomes b, 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 b. Okay, my turn. B, 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 b. Your turn. B, 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 b. B, 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 b. I'll show you some pictures of the b sounds that I have got. B, 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 bag, 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 b, b, bag, b, 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 bag. Well done. And then we can have a b, 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 bicycle, b, 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 bicycle, b, 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 bicycle, b, b, bicycle, bicycle. Well done. And then we've got a ball, 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 ball. Well done. I've got a really itchy nose. And we've got a boot, 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 b, 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 boot. Well done. So my turn first. Are you ready? Bag, bicycle, boot, bag, ball, bag, bicycle, boot, ball, bag, bicycle, bag, ball, boot. Okay, your turn. Are you ready? Well done. Okay, let's draw this sound on the board. Tell what it is. It is a boot. Boot. I don't know why I tripped around my foot. Boot. Boot. My turn. Boot. Your turn. My turn. Boot. Your turn. Well done. I'll write the sound beside. B. 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 Boot. B. 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 My turn. B. 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 Boot. B. 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 Your turn. Well done. My turn. B. 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 Boot. Your turn. B. 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 Boot. My turn. B. 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 Your turn. Well done. Let's get the picture card. Here is the picture card, and let's have a little look. We go down the laces to the heel, and then around the toe. B. Down the laces to the heel, and then around the toe. B. boot. B. Boot. Boot. B. Boot and boot. B and B. My turn. B. B. Your turn. My turn. Boot. Oop. Boot. Boot. Your turn. Well done. Remember, B. Boot. B. Boot. B is the sound and the boot is a picture that reminds us how to write it. Okay. I'll leave that there because I've got the sounds that we've already learned. I'm going to pop B in the pack and I'm going to see if I can spot it. D. O. D. Is that D or B? Hang on a minute. But there you are. It's easy to get confused between these two. So what you need to remember, but the boot is facing forward, whereas the D has got its dinosaur tail poking out. It looks a little bit like that the boot is going to kick the dinosaur on the bottom. B, D, B, D. Okay. Pop that back in the pack. D, K, T, G, K, S, B. There you are. Again. E, O, M, A, B. There you are. Right, this time, your turn. And I hide it in the pack, okay? N, P, B. There you are. Right, I'm going to stop talking now. B. Well done. Well remembered between the D and the B. K. Well done. B, 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 B. There you are. S, B. Well done. Well done. So we've got those sounds there. We've learnt those sounds. We need to have a go at writing it now, okay? So we're going to write the sound B. So I'm going to get my pen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cha-ching. And I'm going to take the top off my pen. And we're going to do the B. So we're going to start with, we're going to go down the boot and over the toe. Down the boot, all the way to the heel and then over the toe. Down the boot to the heel and up and over the toe. You ready? I'm going to start in my gap up here. And I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to go down the boot to the heel, up and over the toe. My turn. Down the boot to the heel, up and over the toe. Your turn. Down the boot to the heel, up and over the toe. My turn. B, 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 B. Your turn. Well done. Do it again so I can see. Well done. Great work, guys. Right, this is when we need Fred. Later on, you can practice writing that sound and I'll remind you how to write it, okay? But for now, we need Fred. Fred's going to tell us some words that have got the B sound in them and we are going to have a go at saying them, okay? So, my turn. Go on then, Fred. B, I, N. B, I, N. Your turn. My turn. B, I, N. Bin. Your turn. Well done, guys. My turn. B, ad. B, ad. Your turn. My turn. B, ad. Bad. Your turn. Well done. My turn now is, ready? B, ed. B, ed. My turn. B, ed. Your turn. Bed. 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 My turn. Bed. Bed. Your turn. Bed. Bed. Okay, one more. My turn. Lob. Your turn. Lob. My turn. Lob. Lob. Your turn. Lob. Lob. It's a bit of a funny word, that one, isn't it? Okay, should I try them a bit faster? My turn first. Lob. Lob. Your turn. My turn. Bed. Bed. Your turn. Well done. My turn. Bad. Bad. Your turn. That's good. My turn. Bin. 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 Your turn. Well done. That was even better. Right, let's go through some green words. We should know some of these by now because we are at the end of the little set. So these are our 1.2 cards. So I'm going to press the sound buttons and point to them. I want you to have a go at saying them and I'll tell you what the word is at the end. Sit. Have a go. Sound them out. You can do it in your head. You can do it out loud. Dig. Top. And. It. Dog. Gap. Great work, guys. Let's go back to the letter sound. The sound we are learning today is the sound B, 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 B. And I would like you to have a go at writing it now. Remember, down the boot to the heel, up and round the toe. Have a little go of that. And I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you for your hard work.